Okay, so in the last sequence, you guys saw me fire about, my 2000th round through my Rock Island. The mag changing part of it, obviously quite poor. So I'm going to try to improve upon that a little bit this time and fire my rounds into that beautiful ADT sign down there. Again! Christ's sake. Suck out loud today. You know what? That's why you come up here all the time. So you can go through these drills and suck less. That's what it's all about, is sucking less. And that's why we practice. That's why we come out here and put the rounds down range. So if push ever does come to shove and we really have to throw some fucking lead in a serious fashion, it's all going to be muscle memory. You don't have to think about it. And that's part of the whole point, is not having to think about it. Because if you're in a combat situation and lead's coming at you and you're like, what do I do? You're so dead. You don't even have a fucking chance. So yeah, that's part of the reason.